Good morning vlog! Today is a Saturday. Thankfully, nagising tayo ng maaga kasi we usually have the Saturday basketball runs here in downtown Toronto. Medyo snowy weather lang for today. Brr, winter is wintering. So, papainit muna tayo. And yeah, just have fun out there. Let's do it! Parang wala pang mga tao. Isang bola pa lang narinig ko. Hey, what's up, Poppy? Hey, good to see you, bro. Oh. No need for that. You look amazing, man.
So fine,
Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, bro. Where's Tegan? Oh, there she is. How is she?
She's good, man.
Yeah! Done for the day. Time to head home. Costco run for tonight. Here at Costco, we got it all.
Nani?
We are Costco ready. Can you see yourself? Push the cart with daddy. Sama ka, mami. Pakita ka, mami. Ay ka dito. First Costco na naka-carrier si Kian para makapag-engage or interact naman siya sa mga nangyayari sa surroundings niya.
Hello there.
Superstar ka na naman. Dami na naman nakatingin kay Kian. Cute-cute ka mo kasi eh. Cute ka talaga. Ang gigigil ako.
True.
Mommy, say hi. Wala daw siyang lip doon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nakasil, guys. Nakasil yung Vita Coco, guys. Okay, then that's why. Kian, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Huy, tigilan mo yan. Pang buong pamilya yan. Guys, ano to? Ano to, guys? Gutom siya. Kian ka. Hi, Kian. Are you hungry na? Are you hungry? So, check out. Hi, mommy. Wala doon siyang lip tune kaya ayaw niya magpakita masyado sa camera.
Please begin scanning.
Mommy's scanning for us. Let's go. I got the receipt. Kain lang tayo ng hotdog or pizza here sa Costco. Then, pagas. Then, we'll head home. Also, we have to feed Kian. Because I think he's hungry. Wala na si asawa. Gutom na gutom. Hindi man ako tinanong kung anong gustong kainin. Waiting for our food. Let's look for a table. We have to wait muna, Kian. Just waiting for mommy. Found our table. Waiting for mommy. She ordered pizza. Wala natang hotdog. Sayang. Kasi yung hotdog sa Costco may free drink.
Isn't that
So
amazing?
hopefully meron pang hotdog. Kian. Kian ka. Oh. Oh, you're hungry. Kian is hungry. Or gonna eat na, ha? Daddy will feed you. What? All by myself. And Kian. Yan na si Mami. Oh, careful. Sige. Thank you, love. Ako muna magpapakain kasi medyo agitated. Agitated? Na si asawa. Shake. What's this? Milk? What's this? Milk? Where's your babe? Yeah. Ian is hungry.
Oh, he's crying. He's crying because, it's feeding time.
Ay, wait lang, baby ko. Babe muna, babe. Babe. Shake. Belly dance. Shake. Belly dance.
Huh?
Feeding na ang Kian ka. Yummers. Oh, you hold your milk. You show the camera that you can hold your own bottle. Wow, look. No hands. Wala, kanina pa nag-record, girl. Girl, ilang vlog na tayo? Ilang vlog na tayo? Ay, guys, come on. Nakailang vlog na tayo. Huwag ka na mahiya. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Wow! Finish your meal. Here at Costco, we got it all. Sarap. Actually, guys, yung dalawang pizza, sa kanya talaga yan. Ay, say hi. Try to burp. Try to burp. All done. All done. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's go to your car seat na, ha? You sleep na, ha? Sleep na. Yeah. Daddy. Daddy, Daddy. Daddy.
Sleep na.
Let's sleep. Let's sleep. Daddy will just eat, ha? Pepperoni. Time to head home. Done for today. Mag-Netflix and chill na lang tayo later. Bye-bye! For tonight's dinner, we're gonna cook pork sinigang. Let's go. Okay, so na-chop up ko na yung onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Dahil naliligo si wifey, baby monitor muna kay Kian. Slice lang natin yung pork into 1/2 inch. Unpopular opinion. Usually, hindi naman naglalagay ng garlic sa sinigang. Pero I don't know, parang naglalagay siya ng additional layer of flavor. I'm a garlic boy.
Nice.
Nahiwa na yung pork. I don't usually put oil dun sa pan natin kasi I use the fat from the pork para magkaroon ng oil. So, it cooks itself from the fat from the pork. Sear lang natin yung pork for a couple of minutes para may texture siya. While waiting, we can wash the vegetables. What I have here is Shanghai bok choy, eggplant, and some spinach. Yun lang yung vegetables ko. Always wash your veggies, guys. Lalo na yung bok choy kasi may tendency na dun sa crevices niya, mayroong mga soil.
True.
While waiting, chop up ko na rin yung eggplant. Okay pa naman si Kian. Yung traditional sinigang, may sitaw, may gabi, may okra, tsaka yung labanos. Kaso wala ako nun. So kung ano lang yung veggies na nandun sa ref. Unpopular opinion, medyo hindi ko gusto yung texture ng okra or yung radish doon sa sinigang. Sorry sa mga fans ng okra and radish. So hindi ko naglalagay sa sinigang. Again, that's just my personal preference. Also, I don't know if it's just me, pero every layer ng niluluto ko, I season it with salt and pepper. Wow! Hindi naman super daming S&P. Season ko lang siya ng a little bit of salt and pepper. Para may lasa yung pork in every bite. Yeah! So after 5 to 10 minutes of searing the pork, ginagawa ko is tinatanggal ko muna siya. Then I use the oil from the pork para igisa yung aromatics natin. Then we put our garlic. And then, ibabalik ko yung pork. So, you may be wondering, bakit di mo nalang ginisa muna yung onion tsaka garlic?
True.
Well, ayun nga, ginagamit ko kasi muna yung oil niya. Ayoko namang sobrang maluto yung onion and garlic. Again, it's just me. Add back our pork. Then, we put our tomatoes. So, this should be good. Ang gagawin naman natin is, lalagyan na natin siya ng mga 2 to 3 cups of water. Papakuluan natin siya para mag-tenderize pa siya.
Nice.
1. That's 2 and 3. And what I also do, again, this is just a personal preference. Nalagyan ko siya ng pork cube habang nagtitenderize siya or pinapakuluan natin. Para may added umami or malinamnam flavor naman siya. Boop! So, papakuluan lang natin siya in like 10 to 15 minutes. Babalik-balikan natin kung tender na yung pork. Alright? Cover lang natin siya with the lid. Sakit sa likod na itong angle na to. Okay, so napakuluan ko pa siya na mas matagal kasi nag-transfer pa ako ng videos from the DJI dun sa laptop. Hopefully, tender na yung pork. So, let's test it out. Tenderness. So, it's good to go. So, what's next is, season natin siya with patis. Of course, paano siya magiging sinigang without the sampalok mix? Taste natin kung okay na yung soup natin. Ang init.
Oh, shit!
Init. Perfect. Wow! Next is we add our veggies. Some washed Shanghai bok choy. our eggplants. And natin siya dyan. Ayaong. Let's let it simmer for a couple of minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add our spinach. Wala siyang madami pero lumiliit naman yung spinach. Make sure you mix it well. Okay, so I think it should be done. Taste test natin. Panalo.
Nice.
Mas maganda nga pag may sili kaso hindi may si wifey ng maanghang. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Pork sinigang, Daddy Kiko style. Perfect for the cold weather. Kain na tayo. Hey there, vlog. Today, we have some exciting plans for our kid. Hey, what are you doing? Kasi tomorrow is his 5th month birthday. But for today, may gimmick lang mami niya. Kailangan daw gumawa ng snow angel ni Kian. Kasi nga, winter is wintering. Very significant. Very significant ang paggawa daw ng snow angel during the winter season. So, yes, you're excited. So, we're gonna go outside. Hopefully, makagawa ng snow angel tong cute-cute na ito. Ay, you're so bungis-ngis na. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, Kian? Ay, are you hungry? Looking at mommy niya. Okay. Are you showing your dimples?
Ay, bihis Kian. Ay, bihis Kian.
Okay, so wish us luck. Gonna take a photo outside, okay? Are you ready? You ready to go outside? Let's go. Kiana. Let's wear your jacket na ha. Matchy-matchy with daddy. Honey. I know it's cold. I know it's cold. Is it cold? Makikisali lang tayo sa gimmick ni Mami ha. Mabilis lang tayo.
You're so cold.
It's so cold. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Huy, okay ka pa dyan?
Kian.
Sorry.
Hi, Kian.
Kian, smile.
Matagal ha. Snow angel tayo.
Snow angel. Ay, hindi ko na picture. Go, Kian. All done? Okay, yung dalawa. Picture ko kayo. Kian, picture with Mommy. Kian's first snow angel. Kahit di ko naman nakita yung snow angel. Good job, my love. Let's go inside. Is it cold? Very good. Hindi ka naman nag-smiley. I know. Come on. Mission accomplished. I think. Going back to Honolulu just to get that. Oh, di ba? Kanina, nainitan ka. Ngayon, it's super lamig. I can't feel my fingers.
Oh no!
Very good. Easy peasy for our Canadian boy. Cuddle na tayo. Cuddle. Good evening, vlog. Just finished attending our anticipated mass and also went to Costco for another quick Costco run. Di lang kami nakapag-vlog kasi number 1, late na kami sa mass. Hi, love!
Hello there.
Yeah, medyo hinala natin yung boses. And number 2 is magsasarado na yung Costco. We went to another Costco location dun sa Markham kasi for some reason medyo mas maluwag dun. Maybe because walang gas station or, you know, mas konti lang talaga yung tao sa Markham. So, mas gusto talaga namin mag-Costco dun. Right, my love?
Yeah. Pero wala kasing gas, so...
Exactly. The only gas na pwedeng ilagay dito is Costco gas. Kasi tipid, yung pinakamura. Tsaka all good in the hood naman.
True.
Anyway, so for tonight, our main agenda talaga. Kasi tomorrow is Kian's 5th month birthday. So of course, for us to celebrate that, a birthday celebration always comes with a birthday cake.
Whoa.
And which is why we are here at ten, 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 TNT. Ni hao, TNT.
Hello there.
Nei ho, TNT. Hindi kami familiar dito. So, buti na lang, busog yung asawa ko. Kasi kumain na kami sa Costco. So, mas madaling mag-grocery. Wala nagmamadali sa'yo. We'll take our time. Tapos, meron akong naisip na lutuin for tomorrow na sa isang Asian grocery store lang mahanap. So, yeah. Let's buy a cake for our Kian's 5th month birthday. And then we'll look around the TNT location here at Warden. Let's go. Ni hao, TNT. The Goat Grocery. Daming tao kahit mga 8:30 na. There you go. Uy, look at this oh. Ito ang cute oh. Diba? Ang liit lang. Peach hog roll cake. What's this one? Hog roll. Okay, ang cute naman ito. Meron pang little dinosaur slice cake. Ang ganda rin ng mga selection nila. Sleeping na ang Kian namin. Kit-kit mo naman, my love.
Guys, nakakahinga yan
Pang winter to. Parang naka-winter jacket yung stroller.
Sobrang cozy niya dyan.
Totoo.
Sobrang lamig talaga.
Parang sarap
We
tabihan
cannot
eh.
explain the cold.
Exactly.
True.
100%.
Interesting.
Is it interesting?
Gusto ng milk tea. Gusto ko na.
Gusto niya na naman ng milk tea. Guys, sobrang cute naman ng cake na to. Cute pa ng packaging oh. Cake for our Kian. Ito panalo pag sa Asian grocery. Tapos gabi na. 20 off.
Wow!
Diba? Yung mga sushi. Salmon Crazy Sushi. 20 off. Cute naman yan. It's like gingerbread.
Gingerbread milk tea. It's 550.
550. Not bad. Kaso, baka packaging lang yan, di ba?
True.
Baka hindi naman masarap yung milk tea sa loob. It's cute.
Ano yan? Ginger HK.
Love ko mo free taste. Kuha mo. Iya ako eh.
Nani?
Thank you.
Very delicious.
Thank you so much. Free noodles.
Nice.
Tignan niyo binili niya. Crackling. Kasi ano? Lagi niya daw nakikita sa PBB. Ay, nakita mo sa TikTok. Kaka-PBB mo yun eh. Kasi part ka ng Yoma Akos na group chat, di ba? Done with our mini grocery run here at TNT. Mission success kasi nabili ko yung pang chokboki. We're gonna make chokboki tomorrow. So, good night and bye!